JavaScript operators. Okay, so JavaScript arithmetic operators are addition. So first of all, addition and subtraction. Okay, and the third one, multiplication, and the fourth one, division, and the fifth one, modulus, and the sixth one, increment and decrement. Seventh one, decrement. Okay, so here are the arithmetic operators available in JavaScript. Okay, so arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations in HTML forms. Okay, so arithmetic operators are used to perform other arithmetic operations on numbers. Okay, so we have equal to, plus. Okay, so equal to uh, operator used to assign the values, and plus operator used to add two or more values. So these operators are used to perform arithmetic on numbers. Okay, arithmetic on numbers. So addition operator, we can add. Okay, we can add two or more numbers. Okay, two or more numbers, and subtraction on you can subtract the numbers. Okay, so for addition, okay, we can use like x plus equal to y. Okay, this same as x equal to x plus y. Okay, so x plus equal to y is equal to x plus y, and subtraction also same, x minus equal to y, same as x equal to x minus y. Okay, so like this remaining operators are. So addition operator and subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and increment, decrement. So one example on these operators. So create an HTML form. Okay, so operators. So take two text boxes. Okay, so already we have this example and same example. Okay, for operators plus and minus. Okay, so first of all, two text boxes and paragraph to display the result. Okay, and addition button and subtraction button. Okay, so when you click on addition button, so these two numbers are, yeah, display the result as addition of these two numbers. So when you click on second button, it will display the subtraction result of two numbers. Okay, 2 plus 5, 7. And subtraction minus 3. So like this, remaining operators also. Multiplication, division. Okay, take another button, type equal to button, and value equal to multiplication and on click event. Okay, multiplication function. Okay, so that is the function name. So same function, okay, with a different name, multiplication function, and two numbers, and here is the operator multiplication. Okay, so multiplication of two numbers. So now run this example. So one sec. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and after that increment and decrement. So input, take one button, type equal to button and value, and display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so unclick, display numbers. Okay, so this is the function. Function display numbers. Okay, so display numbers. So I want to display numbers. Okay, numbers in paragraph with comma. Document.getElement by id or where result. Okay, so take one variable where result, and for loop where int equal to 0 and I less than 10, 9 plus plus. Okay, and result plus equal to I. Okay, so and finally document.getElement by id. Okay, so p1 dot inner html equal to result. Okay, so now run this example. The result is I is not defined. Where I. Okay, so Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, so 10 numbers. Okay, so like this. So first I value is 1. Okay, and the result is 0. Okay, we are adding the content to the already existing content. Okay, using plus equal to. Plus equal to means adding the extra content to the already existing content. So already uh, we have 0. Okay, so and we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 numbers. Okay, so up to 10 numbers we need to add. Then first I value 1. Okay, I less than or equal to 10. Okay, if condition is true, so the cursor is goes to here and display the I value. So added 1 to the result, and again cursor is goes to here and I plus plus. Now I value is 2. 2 less than 10. So like this it will look until condition is false. Okay, so after that, so the result is displayed in paragraph. Okay, so 0 to 10 numbers. So this is the increment and decrement. So decrement nothing but, so already we have 10. Okay, 10 and I minus minus. I value first to 10. 10 is added to the result, and I minus minus 9. 9 less than 0. Okay, okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2 and up to 0. Okay, so decrement it works like this. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operators. And next, data types in JavaScript. Okay, data types in JavaScript. So JavaScript variables can hold many data types. JavaScript variables can hold many data types. Okay, so many data types like number data type, okay, string data type, and arrays, okay, and object data type, okay, so and so on. So number of data types can hold. Okay, data types is very important concept in JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript has only one type of numbers. Numbers can be written with or without decimals. So numbers can be written with or without decimals. So first of all, string data type. Okay, already we have seen the integer variables. Okay, okay. So in this example, we have already explained integer data types and create one HTML form. Okay, that is string data types. string data type. String data type are used for storing and manipulating text values. JavaScript string are used to storing and manipulating text. Okay, a string can be any text inside double quotes. Okay, so we can use uh, quotes. Okay, quotes nothing but double quotes. Okay, or single quotes we can use. Okay, to create the string data types in JavaScript, we can use double quotes or single quote. Okay, like where name equal to. Okay, like we can use single quote. Okay, or where name equal to double quotes we can use. Okay, so this is the string data type. So take on button, type equal to button, and value. So display name on click. Okay, so my function. Okay, so when you click on this button, so display and create the string data type, string variable, and display that name in alert box function. Okay, so create one variable. So my name is the variable. So use double quotes or single quotes. Okay, okay, uh, and display this name in alert box. Okay, so my name. So run this example. Okay, so narrative will be displayed in alert box. Okay, so text variable is created, string data type is created, string variable, and display that string in alert box. So for example, you want to know the length of the string. Okay, you want to know the length of the string. Okay, that it means how many number of characters in that string. So we can use length property. Okay, we can use length property to know the length of string. Okay, so for example, we have this. Okay, so this is the string variable. So I want to find out the length of this string. Okay, we can use dot length property. So it will display the length of the string. Okay, so we have 6 characters is there. This is our sample text. Okay, so now you can find out the length of this string. Okay, so 23 characters is there with the spaces. Okay, okay, so arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable, and array index start with 0. To find the length of the array, so we can use myArray dot length. Okay, so array variable dot length minus 1. Okay, so no need minus 1. Okay, directly myArray dot length. So create an HTML form, arrays, create array. Okay, and click so my function. Okay, so my function where my cities that's very Pune, Bangalore. Okay, so Chennai. So we have 4 cities names in my cities variable. So I want to find out the length of the array. My cities dot length. Okay, so we can find out the length of the array. So we have 4 values is there. So that result is 4. Okay, so this is the length of the array 4. And I want to display. Okay, so I want to display only uh, Bangalore city name. Okay, in alert box. So we can use array index. Okay, so this is 0 index and first, second and third. Okay, Bangalore is in second index, so that we can use 2. Okay, array index start with 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3, and to create the arrays, okay, we can use square brackets. Okay, and we can give the index value also in square brackets. And now refresh this example. Okay, so Bangalore is displayed here in our alert box, and I want to display all cities names in the list. Okay, so I want to display in paragraph id equal to p1, where result. Okay, so and for loop where I equal to 0, I less than my cities dot length and I plus plus. Result plus equal to my cities of I. Okay, and plus and document dot get element by id p1 dot inner html equal to result. So when you click on this button, so it will display result. Okay, HOD Pune, Bangalore and Chennai. Okay, so first of all, the result will display here. Okay, and next, so object data types are name and value pairs. So like we can create like object data types. So create one variable my obj equal to, so you can use flower brackets, okay, and square bracket. In the square bracket, first name, okay, and last name. Okay, so first of all square bracket, and after that flower bracket. Last name, comma email, naveen@gmail.com. Okay, so this is one employee information. Okay, so assume that, so this is one employee information. To add the multiple employees information, okay, so we can use like this object, okay, comma, second another employee information, first name, okay, last name, okay, and email, okay, so this is second employee information. To add the one more employee information, we can use comma, okay. So this object data type values are separated by with comma, okay, and the object data types are name and value pairs. So this is name and this is value, okay, name and value, name and value. So create an HTML form. So when you click on the button, okay, same. So create one object data type. Okay, so create one object data type and display the employees information, okay, in the table format. So add one more employee. Last name and comma email. Okay, so this is the object data type and this object contains three employees information. So I want to display this all these employees information in the table format. Okay, so now you can create HTML table in the JavaScript. Okay, so the result is table. Okay, first tag, and after that tr tag. In the first column, okay, the first column, so employee first name. Okay, that is the column name. In second column, so last name. TD and email. Okay, so first name, last name, and the email. Okay, column names. And after that, my obj. Okay, dot length, my obj dot length, and here we can add uh, second row. The second row. In the second row, first column. Okay, employee first name. So my obj dot. Okay, so my obj of I dot first name. Okay, and second column TD, my obj of I dot last name. In third column email. Okay, my obj I dot email. Okay, and finally we need to close the table tag plus equal to table. Okay, so we have opened the table tag here and we close the table tag here. Okay, so between this for loop. Okay, so dynamically create the rows and apply the employees names, and finally the result will display in paragraph. Okay, so create, so this is the array. So run this example. create object, and we have some error. Okay, my OB is not defined. My OBJ. Okay. Okay, so this is the employees information table format. So just write styles. After first name,